Demon Boys? Welcome back to y'all boy Demon Time. Oh man, I know what time it is. Hey, listen, man. Today, man, as y'all can tell by the caption below, man, we got a highway POV for y'all today, man. So I have put up on my story on Instagram, like, what type of ideas that y'all wanted to see with the Demon. So this is the one of the ideas I got. I'm finna give y'all a highway POV. So this is gonna be my first time doing one. So we're gonna see how this go for y'all today, man. But listen, man, if you're new to that channel, man, make sure y'all hit that sub button. Make sure y'all drop down a like, and make sure y'all turn on post notifications, man. I gotta get back to dropping more consistently. Lately, I haven't been dropping as much because I've been dealing with shit, you know, like with my life and shit like that. But look, man, I'm gonna try to keep bringing y'all bangers as much as I can, because I know y'all still want to see, you know, me keep dropping. So look, man, I got like 3 bangers I'm gonna drop this week. Hopefully, I can get them all done this week for y'all, man. I was talking to y'all and y'all gave me some great ideas, so I'm gonna bring that content to the channel. So look, man, I need y'all to tap in. Y'all already know we finna get into this video today. Right now we finna get the Demon Wash. Y'all know we have my boy shot real quick. Finna get the Demon Wash, and we finna get into this video for y'all. This shit finna be dope. See what we got going on, man. Yes, sir. So we finna go ahead and jump into this video for y'all, man. We finna get it cracking for y'all. We finna get on the E-way. I'm finna let y'all hear the Demon, man. I should have took the hood off the Demon. I should have took it off, but I didn't take the hood off the Demon, so I might take it off. I still got a chance to take it off, so I might go take the hood off the Demon and then let y'all really hear it. Let y'all hear, man. She sound crazy. We're gonna get on the highway POV for y'all, man. I know y'all want to see that, man. Y'all want to hear the car, man. Y'all want to see me get active with it. So we're gonna get active real quick in the Demon for y'all, man. I'm gonna play around with it for a little minute for y'all so y'all can see her get wild. But first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get her washed real quick because she's dirty as shit. And I just got back from Atlanta, so I'm gonna get her all washed up for y'all, man, and we're gonna get it cracking for y'all. Oh, and I think I will be taking my Demon down to Atlanta. Supposed to go back to Atlanta like a couple weeks, so I want y'all to stay tuned for that video. So we might be having the Demon down there in Atlanta, man. So y'all stay tuned for that, man. We gotta get it cracking for y'all. So we're gonna get out in the traffic today, man, play around with her today and get it going for y'all, man. Right now she's gonna get washed. Once she's done with wash, I got a couple of my homies gonna meet me up here at the car wash. Then we finna get active and get in the traffic. Y'all know that. Let's do it. So y'all can see, man, we just got the Demon Wash glass right now. Y'all see what's going on. The Demon right now is glass right now, bro. We definitely needed it to get glass, bro. Y'all seen how dirty it was, but we back in the game now. My boy Jaden got us right. We sitting up here, for we finna get it cracking for y'all. We finna do this highway POV for y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, the sun, it went away. I'm kind of mad about that, but I'm still finna make this video happen for y'all. We finna get it cracking. I'm about to go down the highway and act bad for y'all, folks. To give y'all a chance to let y'all hear the Demon. Y'all gonna be able to hear it because this sound loud as shit. We done got her cleaned up. She's so clean. Oh my God, like a touch. She clean as hell. Oh shit. I just stepped in some fucking water, folks. Damn, folks, I just stepped in some water. My foot done got wet. My foot just got wet. Oh Lord. And that boy Jay said I can come pick the keys up anytime, right, Jay? Yes, sir. My boy Jay said I can come pick it up anytime I want to. I can come pick up the keys. So y'all might have to get y'all a POV of that wild body thing. That you know what I'm saying? Y'all get a chance to see that, fool. Y'all know what's going on, man. We finna get this video going. It's finna be busting today, boy. Yeah, go ahead, get me right. Hey, listen, man. If you located in Chicago, man, this is the best car wash to come up to. They getting you right, bro. Make sure y'all come here and get y'all cars right, man. Jay stay motherfucker doing me justice up here. I don't go nowhere else but here. Yes, sir. But look, man, we finna tap into this video for y'all, man. We finna go ahead and pull a Demon out real quick, and we finna get this video going. I can't wait to hit the highway right now. Y'all hit that what, shorty? Hit that like, share, subscribe. You know it! Make sure y'all fucking drop a like down. Fuck y'all talking about. Get that, hey, we finna get that cold start for y'all. Got her together, she look clean. Woo! She got that glass. That's that glass. That's what I needed. I swear to God, I needed that glass so bad, bro. My car was looking crazy, bro. Now she look good. She look presentable for the camera. We finna go ahead and get into this. We finna go ahead and get into this highway POV for y'all, man. We about to hit the highway. The highway not too far from where we at right now. So I'm finna bring y'all this. I'm finna let y'all hit a demon real quick. She getting, ooh, my boy, he bringing his out too. You see what's going on, man? We getting that for y'all. Yeah. All right, guys. So we just pulling up from the car wash. And it got dark outside, but we still gonna make this happen for y'all, man. The demon cleaned up. Tires wet, okay. Yeah. Woo. Y'all here. She sound crazy. But we definitely finna get it cracking for y'all, man. Get into this video for y'all. Let's go ahead and change it for y'all. We're gonna go custom. Yeah, we're gonna do custom. Yeah, she sound good. Yeah, y'all. She sound good, don't she? Get on this E-way for y'all. I don't know who this is flying up on the side of me like that. What? Woo! What? What you doing? Let me slow down too, cause the sheriffs be sitting up here. They think I don't be knowing, but I know where y'all be at. I know y'all love spots, y'all tricks. Get this going for y'all real quick. All right, guys, so we done made it over here to the E-way. We about to turn and get on the E-way. I'm super excited. I'm ready to push it. I'm ready to bring y'all this highway POE. I don't think I drove on the E-way for y'all yet, for real. So this will be the first time y'all get a chance to see me on the E-way, putting the demon on the E-way and acting bad in it. You feel me? I'm gonna be stop it. Woo! Shorty, she ready. You're like, oh shit, it's about to start. We about to get it cracking. Ooh, she ready too. Y'all hear? I know y'all hear. I know y'all hear that. Ooh, yeah. So, get out there, wait. Ooh. So I'm gonna play with the paddle shifters real quick. Man. Y'all, just to see. Feel what I'm saying? Yeah. Ooh, shit. Y'all hear the breakdown. Y'all hear that breakdown. Ooh, shit. Yes, indeed. She sound good. Ooh, she sound good. Oh, we got a Mustang. We got a Mustang behind us. Y'all know what time it is, then. Hold on, y'all. We got a Mustang behind us right now. Ooh. Yeah, she know. I can't believe we got a Mustang behind us. Get that motherfucker too. Come on, man. Get the way. Get out the way. Man, so I didn't get a chance to finish this video on the day when my demon actually broke with the rear diff, so I'm bringing y'all this right now to just give y'all an update of what's going on, man. So as y'all can tell, I don't know if y'all heard the noise in the previous clip that just happened, but the rear diff went out as I was driving. Y'all can tell I wasn't even like, you know what I'm saying? It just went out, shit, I guess. So You know what I'm saying? On the next video when I'm finna drop, I'm gonna show y'all, you know, the process of getting the rear diff, you know, changed up, and show y'all, you know, what really happened underneath the car, whatever the case may be. But the rear diff went out, me shooting that for y'all, man. Like me shooting that, the rear diff just went out on me. So we had to get a new rear diff. So the Demon is currently getting fixed right now as we speaking. I should be picking it up soon. So I had that video dropped for y'all, hopefully in the next like couple days or whatever the case may be. So y'all know what time it is. Y'all boy Demon Time, man. Y'all know what time it is. Hey, look, man, we outside, we popping out, man. We getting a demon fish right now, and like I keep telling y'all, I keep stating y'all, bro, we got a surprise for y'all. So y'all stay tuned for that, man. I can't wait to drop my surprise video for y'all. So look, man, I need 20K subs, and I'm dropping a surprise banger for y'all. Y'all gonna be so crazy. I'm waiting till I get 20K. I'm not dropping shit till I get 20K subs. So I need 20K subs. Y'all better make sure y'all tap in with me, man. Look, it's y'all boy Demon Time. Y'all know what time it is. Hey, look, if you're new to that channel, man, hit that sub button, man. Make sure y'all drop that like on this video. Make sure y'all go ahead and turn on post notifications. We back. Even though it's getting cold outside, I'm still working. I'm still grinding. And we back to dropping, like, hopefully I can get in 3 or 4 videos a week for y'all, man, because I know y'all be want to see what's going on, man. I know I've been slacking a little bit lately, but the consistency's going to keep coming, so I'm going to keep dropping. And we on our road to 20K subs, so let's get there. We going. I'll catch y'all in the next one.
Playing big brands in a boat.